as we go along. One little bird flying high in the sun, two bright stars when the day is done, three green frogs jumping by the door, four red apples, can we count some more? Five silly monkeys swinging from a tree, six buzzing bees making honey for tea, seven shiny seashells lying on the shore, eight golden coins, let's look for more. Nine fluffy kittens playing in a line, 10 happy children singing, it's fine. 11 glowing lanterns sliding away, 12 sparkling stars in a grand ballet, 13 bouncing balls in a fun-filled game, 14 yummy cupcakes calling your name, 15 shiny balloons floating in the air, 16 colorful butterflies flying everywhere, 17 little penguins waddling to and fro, 18 sparkling snowflakes falling just so, 19 bright flowers blooming with cheer, 20 happy smiles from ear to ear. Now we've counted, wasn't that fun? Let's count again from 1 to 21.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.